In this video, we will show you how to save in GTA 5 Story Mode and GTA Online. Let's start with Story Mode. Open your cell phone. On consoles, this will be the up direction on the D-pad, and it will be the up arrow key on PC. Navigate to the cloud icon that will be called Quick Save. Choose it, and you'll now be able to save your current game session in Story Mode. In GTA Online, the game saves itself automatically over time, but you can force a save as well. Anything that will change your environment in GTA Online, such as changing clothes, purchasing items, or moving money, will cause the game to save. We'll change clothes for this example. Go to your interaction menu and choose Style. In Style, change any of the clothing items on you. Then, exit the menu. You should see a spinning circle in the bottom right corner indicating a save has taken place. To ensure the save works properly, leave GTA Online properly when you're finished playing. Go to Settings, then to Online, and choose Leave GTA Online at the bottom.